Recently, I made this video about how to change the gift card image in Shopify. So this would be the gift card image that the person receiving the gift would see. First, they receive an email, and then when they click on the link in the email, they go to a page that looks a bit like this and gives them their actual gift card code. But one thing I didn't mention in this video was how to change the gift card image that shows up in the actual email. So that's what today's video will be about. It's how to change this image. You can check this by going to Settings, and then we're going to go to Notifications, and then we're going to scroll down and we're going to find Gift Card Created, this one here. So this is the gift card created email notification that goes to the person receiving the gift card. You can preview it by hitting preview in here in the top right. And so that's kind of what the email will look like. And you can see that the default gift card image is being used here. Okay. Now let's just say, for example, for this video that I want to change this image. I've just edited this image a bit. It's this ugly, disgusting pink. And let's say I want to use that instead, just so it's visible for you that it's changed. So the first thing that I want to do is we want to edit the email template. So we're going to scroll down here until we find the gift card image. So here we have image, and then we have source, and this is pointing to where the image is on the server. We just want to change this to our own image. So firstly, we're going to change this part, everything before .jpeg. We're going to say my gift card image, for example. Oops, can't type. And then instead of Shopify asset URL, we're going to change it to just asset URL. Okay, because this is not a default Shopify asset now. It's going to be in our assets folder, and I'll show you where that is. Everything else can stay the same. We don't need to change anything else. You're going to hit save, and probably now if we preview, the image is broken because we haven't uploaded the image yet. Okay, so let's go out of settings, and now we're going to go into online store. We're going to go into our theme. So we're going to go to actions, edit code, and then we're going to scroll down to the assets folder. We're going to click add a new asset. We're going to choose a file. Here's my ugly pink gift card image, and I'm going to upload that. Okay, and there is one thing that I forgot to do, and that is I didn't name it the same as what I named it in the code, right? So I believe it was called my gift card image.jpg. Okay, just for example, but you can call it gift card.jpg or whatever you want. And now we can go back into settings, go into notifications, gift card created, and we can check if it worked. There it is. There's that lovely pink. Okay, so yeah, that's all there is to it really. As for the size, you want to keep the same size as the original gift card image. So to do that, when you preview this, you can right click and say, click open image in new tab. And then you can save that image. And if you're working in Photoshop or whatever, you can get the size of this image. This image is actually 848 by 565. But Shopify actually recommends that you use 950 by 550 on their official documentation. Either way, it'll work. It doesn't have to be that accurate. Just make sure it's approximately the same. Yeah, that's all there is to it. If you want to know how to do the next part, we change the image when the person actually clicks the link in the email, then watch this video because that's what it covers. Okay, so that's all for today. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and like and subscribe if this video helped you. See you next time.